You know, you can use all kinds of vegetables for this recipe. Tofu also. I'm not going to add any tofu today, but I just want to show you a few things that I'm using. I'm going to be using lemongrass, and you know, if you can't find lemongrass, please don't worry about it. It will add a special little citrusy flavor to it, but if you can't find it, it's not crucial. I'm also using Japanese eggplant, then some zucchini, some red pepper. I have a little bit of butternut squash in here. I'm cutting everything relatively small, and then we're gonna cook this first, then we're gonna add some Napa cabbage and some bean sprout, you know, at the end. Now, I like eating spicy food, as you know, so I'm going to add some jalapeño to this, which I chop without removing the seed or the membrane. I use Thai green curry paste for this. The more you put in, the spicier it's going to be. I would at least put in a tablespoon. I have a couple tablespoons in there. We're going to cook that for a minute. And I'm adding 2 14-ounce cans of coconut milk. Add some shredded carrots, salt, and some pepper. Just a little bit of pepper. We're going to let this come to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Mix that. I want you to taste it for salt and adjust. And we're going to let this cook for another 10 minutes. I want that squash to be nice and tender. You can serve this with a side of steamed rice if you'd like.